So today I'm talking about a Toyota with the C1201 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is a Toyota C1201 code? Was an engine control system malfunction. And what does this mean? Well, this is a very generic code, and it basically just means that the onboard computer's seen a problem inside of the system, and it's going to have to be troubleshooted, know why. And a very common thing that happens with this code is that you'll get like VSA lights, traction control lights, VSC lights, and things like this. And the engine light will very likely come on. And a lot of people get this confused and automatically think that there's something going on with the brake system when there very likely isn't. Because when the ECM sees a problem with the engine, it's going to shut these systems off. And so there very likely is no problem with those systems. There's something else going on, and this could be anything. Could be a charging problem, could be an evap problem, could be a misfire, it could be anything. But basically when the computer sees a problem with the engine, it's going to automatically shut these systems down. And so how would you go about fixing a Toyota with the C1201 code? Well, basically just look for other codes. And so for example, right here, there's also a C1241 code, which is a low or high power supply voltage. And if you get that code, there's probably a problem with the alternator or something going on inside the charging system. And once this is fixed, this code is going to clear. And all the ABS lights will also go away. It is possible that there is a problem inside the ABS system, but again, if there is, you're going to get another code. So for example, you get a C003A, this would be the right rear wheel speed sensor, and once that problem was fixed, then the C2101 code will also clear and go away. And so how do you go about fixing a Toyota with the C1201 code? Basically just ignore it and go scan for any other codes and fix whatever problem that is, and once that's fixed, the C1201 code will also clear. Because the C2101 code is just generic and just means that there's a problem going on and it's going to have to be fixed. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a Toyota with the C1201 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.